Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at different contaminants in drinking water, and we're looking specifically at barium. What it is, the health risks, protection and prevention, and some things you can do. So first of all, what is barium? Barium is a chemical element that occurs naturally in soil, often in low concentrations. It can dissolve in groundwater and contaminate it, and some foods can also contain low concentrations of barium. And by different standards, the concentration of barium in drinking water should not exceed 1 milligram per liter. So are there some health risks? Well, exposure to high concentrations of barium in water can lead to increased blood pressure, lead to cardiovascular problems, and persons most susceptible to the effects of barium include pregnant women, young children, people with kidney problems, hypertension, and cardiovascular problems. Protection and prevention: the water should be used for barium at least once during the period of usage of the well, ideally in fall or spring. If the concentration of barium in your well water exceeds 1 milligram per liter, you can use another source or bottled water to go ahead and drink, prepare beverages, and prepare feeding bottles and baby food. You can also use tap water to prepare food, wash dishes and clothes, and take a shower or bath. Now, can you boil water to get rid of barium? This is something a lot of people might wonder. Boiling water is pointless because barium does not evaporate. In fact, doing so can increase the concentration of barium in water. And that's something crucial to know because a lot of people might try to either boil barium because they think they can get rid of it, or that's a recommendation, and that can even make the situation worse. So what can you do? You can do things like reverse osmosis, you can do ion cleaning, you can do lime, you can use a lot of different types of ways to remove it, and you can also use a filter to reduce the concentration of barium in the water to an acceptable level. If you do that, make sure to install a certified system that conforms to NSF or ANSI. We've done some videos on those standards to take a look and understand how they work. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance recommendations, and if you do install a residential water treatment system, make sure you eliminate barium from your water. You need to verify its effectiveness by testing your water every year. So how can you know if there is a high concentration of barium in your water? And how can you avoid these health risks? Well, you have to get your water tested. And how can you ultimately know that the barium was successfully removed from your water, or it's not at a level which can cause issues? That again, you'll also have to test your water. So it's always a good idea to test your water for high levels of barium.